College of Agriculture, College of Arts and Sciences, College of Forestry, College of Home Economics and Technology, College of Nursing, College of Teacher Education, the Institute for Human Kinetics, and the Institute for Public Administration.
And of course, we are followed by the members of the Administrative Council of Benguet State University.
God answered the 3 day of classes, and how we all aimlessly ran for our next class from KM6 to KM5 or vice versa when the
Barley Mountain Province, Kumaling Glenjoy L. Hinyon Ipugao, Lee Lloyd Michael B. La Trinidad Benguet. Second place, SND category, University Research Congress. Again, Leon Darwin J.T. La Trinidad Benguet. Lino Marshall C. San Gabriel La Union. McLean Marian Fe.
Wangdali Lorraine P. UST Scholar, Baotong Mountain Province.